So we're still here at the tree fall, but we've actually moved on from the tree fall that we just were looking at to this other one. And we're not quite sure why both trees fell. You know, maybe there was a hurricane or some big force of wind that kind of knocked them over in the same direction. But I wanted to point this one out because underneath the tree in the root structure, you have this brown dirt, but you can also see there's kind of a fabric within the dirt. I hope you guys see this, what I'm doing with my hands. It's kind of lined up like that. You can really see it up in here. For example, there's this black seam that's pretty illustrative. You see all these black seams? Anyhow, this is really cool because it's not just dirt. You might look at it and say, oh, that's dirt, but it's not just dirt. What this is actually rock. But it's rock that's on its way to becoming dirt. So it still has some of the properties of rock. You can see all that shiny mica in there maybe? And it still has the structure of a rock. It has these layers because this is actually a metamorphic rock. But because it's been exposed to the organic acids from the leaves and the other organic material in the forest, things like wood and bark and animals, it's getting broken down over time. It's actually doing something called weathering. And it's on its way to becoming just pure dirt, the kind of dirt that you could put in a garden, but it's not quite there. It's still a rock. So this is something that you might call saprolite. Pretty advanced, fancy word, saprolite. But you can sometimes see it around DC, especially in an instance like this where a tree falls and it's kind of giving us a peek underground. We can see the rock turning into soil slowly.